Evo Universal introduces a new, modern 20-foot entirely standard cube container tiny home on wheels available for sale at only $65,000. Visit www.evouniversal.com for more details about Evo Universal's container home on wheels. The one-bathroom studio container home is a compact and stylish dwelling that is perfect for those seeking a minimalist lifestyle or looking for a secondary vacation home. This home is completely off-grid and totally electric with zero carbon emissions. Featuring a sleek and modern design, this container home is constructed from a repurposed shipping container and sits on a trailer frame for easy mobility. The interior is well lit and spacious, with a full bathroom, kitchenette, and ample storage space. The home is heated and cooled by a mini-split system, ensuring maximum comfort no matter the weather. The exterior is finished with durable and low-maintenance metal siding, while the interior boasts a contemporary finish with high-end finishes and fixtures. The home is built to withstand the elements and is equipped with a rainwater collection system, making it the perfect off-grid retreat. Whether you're looking to downsize, travel, or simply want a unique and sustainable living space, the one-bathroom studio container home is sure to exceed your expectations. Our tiny homes are professionally built with the highest quality materials at our prefabrication facility in Cartersville, Georgia. This container home on wheels or CHOW is 8 feet wide by 20 feet long by 8.5 feet tall with a full bed, kitchen, and bathroom and can be towed with a full-size 1-ton pickup. We can also arrange to ship anywhere in the U.S. Production and delivery require up to 4 weeks. Our Evo CHOWs have many features: 148 square feet of heated living space, studio with private bathroom, composting toilet, no need for black water tank, tankless water heater, triple axle trailer, 15,600 pounds rated with electric brakes, full lights and RV leveling jacks, closed cell spray foam insulation on the floor, walls, and ceiling. Full-size front door W/deadbolt lock, aluminum windows, waterproof luxury vinyl plank flooring, full kitchen, cabinets, fridge, countertop and stove burners, sink, storage, full bathroom, shower enclosure, vanity, sink, ceiling light with exhaust fan, LED lights and 8 electrical outlets, in-wall split AC unit with heater and remote, low-flow faucets, 300-gallon gray water tank, and 280-gallon clean water tank. Our competitive pricing model is one of the many advantages Evo Container Homes on Wheels has over other tiny homes. We offer low-cost payment plans to get you in your Evo CHOW fast and hassle-free. We cater to a wide range of credit and income requirements. Finance the $65,000 container home for as low as $500 a month at Enhancify.com web link. If you're interested in a cash sale, visit www.evouniversal.com to reserve your Evo CHOW for $100 today.